In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an API key from Google AI Studio. The process is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening your web browser and clicking into the address bar. Type studio.google.com and press enter. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in with your Google account before continuing. Once the site loads, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Get API Key. This takes you to the place where your keys are created and managed. On this page, you'll see any existing API keys listed. To generate a new one, head to the top right corner and click the Create button. You'll be asked to give your API key a name. The name is just for your reference, so choose something simple or descriptive that helps you remember where it's used later. Next, look for the Projects dropdown. Click it and select the project you want this API key to be linked to. If you don't already have a project, you can create a new one here as well. Linking keys to projects helps you keep things organized, especially if you're working across multiple apps or environments. Once you've selected your project, click Create Key. After a few seconds, your new API key will be generated. You'll see the project details along with the key information on the screen. On the left side, click the key you just created to view its full details. This view is helpful if you need to revisit the key later, check when it was created, or confirm which project it belongs to. To copy the API key, click the copy icon next to it. That places the key on your clipboard so you can paste it directly into your application or configuration. Treat this key like a password. Don't share it publicly. Don't commit it to public repositories, and store it securely in your app's secret or environment settings. If you ever need to manage your keys, look for the 3 vertical dots on the right side of the keys row. From there, you can rename the key to keep your setup tidy or delete it if it's no longer needed. And that's all there is to it. You've created, viewed, and copied an API key from Google AI Studio, and you know where to manage it in the future. If you found this walkthrough helpful, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a new upload.